Hi, my name is Mzweda Rotondwa, and I'm back again with another tutorial that you will love a lot. Now, kids, today we'll be learning about alphabets. How many alphabets do we have in South Africa? We have got 26 alphabets. Now, in that 26 alphabets, we have got how many consonants? Who wants to take a guess? How many vowels? Who wants to take a guess? We have got 5 what? Okay, good. And we have got 21 what? Alright. Now that you know how many vowels we have and how many consonants we have got 5 vowels and we have got 21 consonant. Now today we are going to learn all the 26 alphabets. Now if you are ready, kids, to start learning, please take out your notebook and your pencil or your pen. We are going to start with alphabet A. Who can write alphabet A for us? Okay, as I write alphabet A, you also write alphabet A. Let's go. Alphabet A. Now, after writing alphabet A, I want you to show your friend. I will be also showing you as you are my friends. This is my alphabet A. Did you get it? Awesome. Now, let's go to alphabet B. Alphabet B. Let's write alphabet B. As I write, make sure you also write alphabet B. Now, this is my B. Now, we're moving on. We're coming to alphabet C. Let's write alphabet C. Alphabet C. This is my alphabet C. Check if your friend have written the correct alphabet like this. Now we're moving to alphabet D. And remember, our alphabets, we are writing them in capital letters. Now let's come to D. Alphabet D. Did the friend next to you wrote it in the correct way like this? Oh, good. Now let's come to alphabet E. Alphabet E. Don't look at somebody's work while they're still writing. You check after when you're showing. This is alphabet E. Okay, now let's come to alphabet F. F. Now, alphabet F. I'm done. Are you done? Let's show each other. This is my alphabet F. Now let's come to alphabet G. Can you write it? Okay, good. Let's see. Alphabet G. This is my alphabet G. Capital letter G. Okay, let's come to alphabet H. H. I'm not saying H. Ouch. I'm saying H. Now alphabet H. Okay, when we when we are from alphabet H, which alphabet comes after H? Alphabet I. Okay, let's write alphabet I. Let's see if you got it right. This is my alphabet I. Okay, from alphabet I, where do we go? Okay, we are coming to alphabet J. This is my alphabet J. Can you show somebody next to you? This is my alphabet J. Now from J we come to alphabet what? Guess first. K. K. Now let's write alphabet K. Are you done? I am done. I'm about to show you. I hope you're going to show me. This is alphabet K. Now, from alphabet K, which alphabet comes after? L. Okay. Alphabet L. L. This is alphabet L. Now, my page is full, as you can see. I need to move to the other page, because we said we have got how many alphabet in South Africa? 26. How many do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means I am not yet done. Okay, I need to open my page and write it on this other side. Now from alphabet L, we come to alphabet what? Alphabet M. I'm waiting to see somebody's alphabet M. I'm waiting to see somebody's alphabet M. This is my alphabet M. Okay, from M we come to alphabet N. Now let's write our alphabet N. Our alphabet N. From N we come to alphabet O. Now let's do alphabet O. Circle. 0. Alphabet O. Now let's come from O, we come to what? P. Can you write alphabet P? Okay, let's see. My alphabet P. My alphabet P. From P we come to alphabet what? Q. Alphabet Q. Simple. It's simple to write alphabet Q. This is my alphabet Q. Now let's come to alphabet. From Q we come to what? R. Okay. R. How do we write alphabet R? This is my alphabet R. Now from alphabet R we come to alphabet S. Alphabet S. Can you write alphabet S? This is my alphabet S. Now from S we come to alphabet. Guess what? Which alphabet comes after S? Which alphabet comes after S? T. Yes. Alphabet T. Capital letter alphabet T. Let's see. I'm showing you mine. Show me yours. This is my alphabet T. Show me yours. Let me see. Good. Now we coming to alphabet what? From T we come to alphabet U. No, we don't come to U, but we come to alphabet U. Not U as a person. Alphabet U. Alphabet U. There it is. From alphabet U, we come to alphabet what? Alphabet V. Alphabet V. There it is. From alphabet V, which alphabet comes again? W. 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 This is my W. This is my W. And then from W we come to alphabet. I won't tell you which alphabet is this. You write it and then I will show you and you will show me. X. 2 alphabets left. I won't tell you. We are writing and we are showing each other. From X we come to alphabet what? I don't have a space, friends. I'll write it small. Small. Okay? Deal? Deal. It's small. It is small. Y. My alphabet Y. Somebody's saying, why is it small? It's alphabet Y. That's why. Hey. From Y, we come to alphabet what? Alphabet number 26. The last one is alphabet Z. So we are done with our alphabets. You go through your alphabets from the beginning to the end. We say A, B, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you did with me what we just did now, that means you are able to write the alphabet, to read the alphabet. The next thing that follows is writing alphabet with capital letter, small letter, capital letter, small letter. And if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe because we still have got more content to teach and to learn. We still have to learn 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words. We still have got maths and more and more and more. Friends, I love you so much. I will see you soon. My video, it is done. Can you see me in a close range? Thank you.